So we are representing the Jain groups of institution. Here we have come for representing the Jain Launchpad. So Jain Launchpad is basically it is a startup incubator launchpad where we help startup to incubate themselves, grow as well as accelerate. We do provide seed funding. There is mentorship, there is networking, and there is support kits which is provided to the startups. So as it is a non-profit organization, there is no there's no fees for the startups to pay to the organization, and this is a very simple process to get into the launchpad. So there are 6 squads launched every year, and in that there is application process. Once the startup applies to the Jain Launchpad, there is a short interview as well as a pitching. The startup is supposed to pitch to the Jain Launchpad, and then they are once it is approved, then they are taken into the Jain Launchpad. So also Jain Launchpad has worked with over 250 startups already, and it is already collaborated with multiple government institutions as well as there are multiple organizations with Jain Launchpad is already collaborated with.
Okay. So you're whole India or specific Karnataka?
For the incubation of the startup, there is no limit. Any startup in any domain from anywhere of India can come join us into the Jain Launchpad, sir.
Okay. So this is basically the NGO and who is trying to give the helping hand to the new startups.
Yes, sir. So our chairman of Jain organization, Mr. Chain Raj, vision is to help 8,800 startups. So what he's with the help of Jain Launchpad, he's trying to achieve that vision and goal. Uh, Also, Jain Launchpad provides seed funding and grants up to 20 lakhs and 50 lakhs, and like there's various stuff.
So that is through the government model or it's like a Jain is providing?
It's
Jain
Jain.
itself is providing.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's Jain.
Okay. Anything else you want to add?
Nothing, sir.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Mr.
Arshit, sir.
Rohit here.
Yes, sir. Nice meeting you, sir.